First of all, we find a different colors pot. This time we use red color, and this one is use another different color but the same pot. Which one is better depend on trees. Then we find the beautiful rock. Use AB glue. Let the rock very stable in the pot and mix the AB glue together. Put it down under there and make sure which size is better, is good looking. About 10 minutes later, very, very strong, this AB glue. Right now, it's getting harder. Find the beautiful small baby trees. There's juniper, 5 years old. Put together to find which size is better. Use the small hole to use the wire to turn on and let the trees together. Right now, use Akadama Soil and put it inside. Akadama Soil is wonderful. It's clean. Put some moss, cover the root, because the root needs always keep wet.